Viewers, welcome to Safety World. I'm Srinivasan before you. Today's topic is proteins, the building blocks. How could we get the protein? What is the main function of the protein? Protein is one of the important nutrients we need. The function is growth. Growth is the important function of protein in our body. Now I am inside a typical Indian kitchen. So I'm having a lot of proteinaceous things are here before me. So before going for that, how can we get this protein to our body? It is through animal food as well as from plant food. So there are two types of protein. One from animal protein, that is one from animal, that is animal protein, and from plants, that is plant protein. Now I am having variety of proteins before you. First is this one. You see, this is called black gram. In India, exclusively in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, something in Andhra, this is used for making rice cakes. The fermented batter, the grinded product of rice as well as this particular black gram into paste, then it will be allowed for fermentation and the rice cake is made, which is very healthy food. This contain more protein. And second, I am taking this chickpea. See here, what do you see? Chickpea. Chickpea is also a great proteinaceous food. It can be made into, it is probably Indian probable dish is sundal in Tamil. And I don't know about other languages, but it will be boiled in water. Before that, overnight soaking is very important. It will be bulkier after soaking. After drinking water, each one of these seeds will be bulkier and will be boiled and eaten with salt. Salt should be when it is boiling. A pinch of salt will be put. Suitable amount of salt according to the amount of seeds you are, not seeds, these grains you are boiling. Okay, so it will be tastier. Even you can make Indian dishes, different Indian dishes too. The easy way to add this chickpea, this Bengal gram otherwise, into your food is very easy. All you have to do is before going to sleep, you just put some water in this grind in a vessel, allow it for overnight soaking. Next morning, you take while you are cooking your gravy, whatever gravy you are preparing, even sambar. Sambar, it is a typical Indian gravy which is used for rice cake, dosa, and many more food as side dish. This gravy, if you normally with the vegetables we are cooking, with that a handful of this Bengal gram could make you a good nutritious gravy. So while you are mixing with rice, this gravy, you can eat very tastier also. With this, essentially the protein will be tastefully included in our body because Bengal gram or chickpea contains a lot of proteins, which is essential for our growth and strength, strong bones, everything. And more essentially, this chickpea has got outer rind or the skin, which is rich in fiber, which may ease your bowel movement also, motion. That is very easy daily basis. Okay, now come to one more grain I'm having here. This is, are you seeing this? This is green pea, yellow pea also there. Both are rich in protein. This could same process, overnight soaking, next day boiling, and this boiled or unboiled soaked grains could be put in any gravies, exclusively kurumas. Kurumas are spicy, which is going well with chapati and other rotis, even breads. With this particular green pea or yellow pea could be added, which is very tastier and proteinaceous too. Then comes miscellaneous pulses like this green gram, which could be eaten as boiled with sugar or jaggery with some it is called rice, pair kanji in Tamil, which is good in nutrition and proteinaceous, highly palatable, sweet gravy otherwise. and it can be cooked with vegetables to make tastier dishes, side dishes. And now this is also a processed Bengal gram, roasted one. This is roasted actually, tastier and nutritious too. And what else? Probably this one you see here. This is your red gram, or otherwise called in Tamil tuvarambarappu. Okay, red gram is also rich in protein, which could be eaten boiled, and or you can just it is normally added in sambar. I told you, gravy, famous gravy in South India. With this dal, otherwise called this red gram, is added always in this sambar for mass, thickness, and nutrition also. Okay. Today we've seen some vegetable proteins. What about animal proteins? Animal proteins, as you know very well, egg is the first, because the ultimate food, otherwise proteinaceous animal food, is egg, milk. Okay, there are many variety of non-vegetarian foods like fish, mutton, chicken, what else, crab, prawn, many more, you know. So these animal proteins are other type. So those who are vegetarians, they also need some animal proteins to be eaten. They could eat as egg, or if it is not possible, at least they should drink a lot of milk. Okay, that is good in animal protein, and rich in calcium, which is essential for our bone as well as your muscles strength. Okay, so protein, daily basis you have to take. Aged one, that doesn't mean aged people need not to take protein because they are not growing. No, all people, all age group, daily they are growing somehow. See, you know one thing, the intestinal cells are replaced once in 2 or 3 days. Okay, so even in aged people, so growth, there also growth is happening. At least not this level, but internal level growth is always happening, and repair is always happening inside the body. For that, protein is very, 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 very important. And more essentially, growing children, or need protein daily basis. Okay, they have ultimate protein is food. Egg can be given, and milk should be given 2 times per day or 3 times per day even. And this type of dolls can be made into tasty snacks and given roasted or boiled with some other suitable ingredients, which is preferred by your children, could be given. But remember, daily basis protein should be given, because they are growing daily. Okay, nanometer level, nano length level, millimeter level, they are growing. Okay, so they need protein daily basis. So today we have seen proteins from animal and uh, plant origin, and more essentially, animal proteins are immediately taken by the body, and plant protein is quite slower to be assimilated into the body. So take essentially the protein in daily basis, whichever is tasty for you, you can take. Thank you very much for watching this video. You can subscribe this video, and you can comment what I should talk in next of my videos. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.